Walter, Gus, and V. They would always go the extra mile to save our boiling isles. Lose the human, found her place here. Emily stood strong against the mother she feared. Will I prove that she was always worthy? Hunter fought through battle, set himself free. Gus broke through his shell and started trusting. They found her own self, she started laughing. Together they are the good witches. They'll always be our good witches. So hear this song and be happy. They did this for us, it was for you and for me. They were such wonderful witches. They'll always be our good witches.
So, what's this game you were talking about?
Oh, the Owl House. Well, it's a game, where you play make-believe. There's a hero and a villain.
A hero? Count me in! Watching schemes, silly rhymes, how I had to spend my time trapped under remains for crimes that only feign. But now you're here, we've got all day to sing and dance and go and play. A new friend I have found will make the world our playground. Oh my, it's such a relief. That prison gave me so much grief. No time to mope or to grieve. Let's play a game of make-believe. Broken chains, magic dreams. Come on, King, you wanna see this new world we have found? We made the world our playground. Fairy tales and horrid scares, nothing that the world can spare. This game is what I need, back and ready to believe.
Having fun? That is great. Maybe we can take a break. All this play has got me beat. I bet our friends could use some sleep.
Don't worry, King, these guys can take it. In the shell or hibernating. But sure, let's take a breather. Hope you're a good story reader.
A child of the stars. All he wanted was some fun. To feel the joy that life had brought. To see how time could bend and caught. But when the others gave him jeers, playthings no longer quelled his peers. He had a choice with many factors. Believe the mortals or end the...
Wait, skip that part. Please.
Okay. He changed the rules to a more fair game. Now everyone could get along and play. It's better now with his new friend. He'll never be alone again.
Great, cool story. Let's get back to playing.
Wow!
Broken chains, magic dreams. Come on,